today, rather than talking about flavors, we're going to be talking about scents, specifically here at Aqua D Keys with Maurizio. Hi.
Hi. Thank you for being here.
So taken by how perfumes are mixed with many of the same ingredients as food. Talk about how a fragrance is composed of the different layers, much like a recipe.
Structurally, a fragrance is usually composed in 3 layers. So you have your base, your middle or your hearts, and your top notes. This also guides the longevity of a fragrance, depending on how much of each individual oils are included in it. It's almost like when you do starting with a sofrito.
Yes.
Right? Yeah, sauteing the basic ingredient that really then will marry with all your other meats and ingredients that will really prepare the base of any sauce or any plate.
Talk about when you are blending a perfume and how you the way that you would taste a sauce, you sniff and then you
constantly test as you go along. So balancing it's key. Being able to let every note shine without overpowering one another.
I would love for you to talk about how people might surprise themselves as to what they like.
People come in with the idea of using what they like because they think that what they like will create the fragrance that eventually they will end up loving. And sometimes that doesn't hold true, because if you like the violet and you like the lily, doesn't mean that the lily and the violet ultimately together will create a combination or an accord that will be pleasant to your nose, or you might like it.
Definitely stop by Aqua D Keys. You can meet Maurizio. You can have more of a conversation about scents and balance and even your sort of palette of scent. And if nothing else, you can smell all of their beautifully crafted fragrances made right here in the Keys for the Keys. Very unique. And I suggest that you come experience it. Thanks for talking to us.
Thank you.